it is section 1.4, programming with Matlab or Octave. Octave is a free alternative to Matlab. For programming, I recommend you to use simple and easy to use computation language such as Matlab. Because the language is simple, you can focus more on logic. Computation language is important. However, when you begin programming, more important thing is logic. You have to understand the logic. If you have earlier programming experience, you may skip this section. However, if you don't, then try to read this section. You can follow the section quite easily. Here, I briefly mention the following and finish the section. In computer programming, important things are how to deal with objects. Objects are variables, arrays, and functions. And how to deal with repetitions effectively. If you want to deal with data very effectively, you have to use loops and to get it, and along with repetition. And also, you have to know how to make the program reusable. Once you implement a function, then that must be useful for the similar projects, so that you have to implement the code reusable. There are 4 major aspects in computer programming. Here, the first one is now already we mentioned here, repetition through loop. So you have to know how to use loops. And secondly, now here, when you implement, rather than the function case by case, you may use conditional statement so that one program can do various things. So that here you have to know conditional statement. Okay, and thirdly, now you have to get data and print out. So that is related with the input and output. And the final one is now functions. For computational tasks, you modularize, and for some group of operations, you can make a function and save it. And once well modularized and saved into as a function, then the code is quite useful, and the reusability is enhanced. So that along with these 4 aspects, you can do a better programming. And here, I'll stop for this section. And if you don't have any earlier experience in programming, then try to read the section. You can follow it very easily. Thank you.